your tongue up on your tooth. Just push hard. Yeah, push
We are
hard.
going to have the tooth attached
No,
to the
who's
string.
let go? Let go.
And we are all videotaping. Dun dun dun. And
Okay, try that.
oh, this is going to be awesome.
Okay. Where are you shooting? Outside or inside?
I'll just shoot at the couch.
Okay, wait.
Okay, make sure the string is loose. I mean, it's not going to get stuck on your arm. There you go. Did that hurt? Ow.
I didn't feel it.
Hold on. Tilt up.
Okay, this is better.
Sideways, just like this. Go.
Fail. Really give it some power.
Three. Okay, we need a real gun. Strong tooth, though.
It is.
Does it hurt?
Hold on, let me.
No, it's on them.
Let me replace it. That should totally work. Now, somehow it got underneath it.
Cool.
Shoot.
Is there a different gun?
Something more powerful?
Well, other ones you can't like do it this way.
Oh.
Clip.
It
I'm
was
starting to
funny.
feel it.
Hold on.
We can attach it to the car.
Numbing cream.
Or a gel or something.
Well, I don't think you can say it by the
Oh.
Yeah.
Numbing cream. Oh my gosh.
How about we put it to the door and slam the door? Old-fashioned way.
We tie it to the car.
How about we let Bella grab the Nerf?
Oh yeah.
No.
she grabs. Pull the hold the gun farther away.
You like this?
Yeah.
Oh, I felt that.
Okay, good. Here, Julia, hold the gun. Are you
No, I'm not. No.
far there? Did you feel it?
Barely.
I mean, is it pulling?
Nah, I feel it pulling.
Okay.
I wanted it.
Go ahead, shoot. Watch, the tooth will come out and the bullet will actually hit me.
Oh yeah.
Shoot up in the air.
Oh yeah.
There you go. No, how about, now you know, shoot this direction. My hand.
Like that?
Yeah.
You have to open your mouth, you know. Oh.
Yeah, perhaps you're chewing on this string. That's not good. Yeah, that should have worked. That was a good one.
Yeah, that was. Oh!
Where'd my teeth go?
Let me see your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Oh my gosh.
Don't pick it up. Go video tooth over there.
That is so crazy. Congratulations. Congratulations. That was brilliant.
That was awesome. Let me take a look.
Oh, disgusting. It's bleeding.
Come here. Let's rinse it out.
Did it hurt? No. Oh, my tongue's all bloody.
You're brave. Oh, go over there. Oh my gosh.
Swish and spit into this. Shoot.
Dun dun.